Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Chorokyu videos, 164 Tune cars, and other car toy brand. Uh, Another on my Isuzu truck collection guys. It's a vintage Isuzu ride-on car. Uh, it's uh, it's a ride-on car toy guys, manual, without batteries. And uh, this is my son's truck guys, and eventually uh, this one is in my collection because it's a Isuzu truck. So guys, made by Diamond Toy Company in Japan, for Isuzu, and this is a licensed Isuzu truck guys, as you can see. Inside guys, it has a metal tin can inside guys, dashboard, seats. Okay, but the body guys is all plastic, and it's kind of dirty. I did not clean it yet guys, and it's detailed as you can see. And this is a big one guys. Maybe 2 to 5 years old can ride this one guys. So it came from Japan guys. I have two of these. The one is a modern or modern Isuzu truck guys. I will show it to the next videos. So this guys is a what do you call this? The model is Isuzu V330 floating cab. They call it floating cab guys. It has a horn button on the steering wheel guys. Okay, and this is the seats. V330 guys. Complete decals still intact guys. It's all original with some dust. It can be damped guys. It's all manual. I bought this guys as one of my additional collection in my Isuzu truck collection guys. As you can see, it's huge, it's big, and it's all original. I did not clean it yet guys. I bought this 2 years ago, and my son used this already. So inside guys, tin can dashboard, and then tin can what do you call this, interior seats, everything. But the body guys, it's plastic, and the color of the material is the color of the outer paint guys. So this is a Isuzu vintage truck guys. This one may be released in Japan maybe 1985 to 1990, 95 maybe, yes. So I think it's already vintage now. Again guys, this is a Diamond Toy Company in Japan. That's the brand. And this particular model is Isuzu 810 Showa. But the body and the model guys is a V330 dump or dump truck. This is one in my collection of Isuzu truck guys. So hope you like my videos. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Again guys, this is a Diamond Dump Ride Toy produced by Diamond Toy Company in Japan. That's it guys. Thank you very much. Bye.